Hey everybody, I want to go over our tall kneeling hip hinge exercise. So this kind of goes hand in hand with our standing standing hip hinge exercise. But what we do is we're decreasing the degrees of freedom with this movement. So when we're doing it standing, we also have some mobility that can be happening at our ankles. As we do it kneeling, we're taking away that so we can focus a little bit more of the movement through our hips and our knees to really start to isolate some of that lumbar movement as we're doing it. So I've got a couple of pads down here on my knees. If you want to, you can use them. If not, get rid of them. Whatever is going to be the most comfortable for you. So what we'll do is we'll get these underneath our knees, and then what we want to do, we want to stick this, whether it be a PVC pipe like I have, whether it be a broomstick, a golf club, anything that you have is straight that you can hold up along your spine. But what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to hold this behind our head, between our shoulder blades, and between our cheeks on our sacrum. And we're going to focus on trying to sit back on our heels and come right back up. And our goal is to not let this rod or dowel or whatever we have on our back to lift off of it. We try to keep those positions. So if I bend from my back to do this, it starts to come up. If I look down with my head, it comes out. The whole goal is to maintain a neutral spine and let all the movement come from our pelvis. So we're going to sit our hips back as we go down and then back up. Sitting our hips back and down and coming back up, keeping our abdominal brace through this whole thing, which is going to help tie everything together and make this movement a lot easier. I think sitting down helps because at some point if we lean too far forward, we're going to want to fall forward. So we sit back on our heels and back up nice and tall in between each rep.